Hi, my name is Erik Hawkins, but please call me Hawk. I'm a music production instructor and course developer for Berklee Online, and I'm here today to share some very important tricks, production tricks, for Reason. So let's get started. In Reason 7 now, you can bus channels on the mixer to other input channels to create submixes. And this allows you to take groups of channels and control them from a single channel strip on your mixer, which is obviously invaluable for mixing and producing. Let's do it. So you'll see that we have an output section right here. And if we click on this, very easily see it says New Output Bus. So we select that. We can now see that this mixer channel is being bused to our input channel here, our aux input channel, which is assigned to bus 1. We can see that it's bus 1. This has been labeled bus 1. So then we just simply take all the other channels for our drum mix right here, assign it to bus 1. Now that's going to bus 1, and now this is going to bus 1. Now when we play this, all of our mixer channels from our drums can be controlled by a single fader, by a single channel strip. Check this out. Obviously, super useful for mixing and producing tracks, and very well implemented Reason, very easy to set up, very easy to understand. I hope you find that useful, and I look forward to hearing what you cook up. Have fun.